Yeah, you know, it's kind of a cozy, humble little place.
Guys, how did you ever do this?
You want to tell him or should I tell him?
You start. Go ahead, go ahead.
We sold Rusty's!
Huh?
What?
What, you think a couple of jabronis like us could do this on our own?
Wait, you sold Rusty's?
It's all good news. We just realized that you needed something that we couldn't give you. It felt like the time was right for us, too. I mean, we're not as young and handsome as we look.
Oh, that's true.
Besides, this Sterling fellow, he's got every high-tech thing you'll ever need. Everything we wanted to give you, but couldn't.
Whoa, Sterling? Who's Sterling?
Lightning McQueen. You made some serious time, partner.
Your new sponsor. He's the mudflap king of the Eastern Seaboard.
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking forward to this.
Thanks, Mr.
Please, no mister, just Sterling. I have been a fan of yours forever, and to be your sponsor, how great is that? I can't thank Rusty and Dusty here enough. Tough negotiators, by the way.
Oh, you flatter us. But don't stop.
Anyway, just wanted to say a quick hello. Take as much time as you need. Door's always open, guys.
See?
Well, I sure am gonna miss racing for you guys.
You know, you gave us a lot of great memories, Lightning. Memories we'll remember.
Wow, that's good.
Hey, Lightning, whatever you do,
Don't drive like my brother.
don't drive like my brother! Please, no pictures. Okay, maybe one. Get my good side, though, will you?
So, you like it?
Oh, hey, Mr. Sterling. Wow. My career on a wall. Nice that you included Doc.
Of course. He was your mentor. Losing him left a giant hole in the sport.
Yeah. Jars of dirt?
Sacred dirt. Each of those jars contains dirt from all the old tracks that Doc raced on. Florida International, Thunder Hollow, just down the road, and our very own Fireball Beach, right outside.
Huh. Hey, is that
A bit of asphalt from Glen Ellen.
my first win?